Hi guys, welcome to another podcast for MH Law CT 5 years program. And today we have Gayatri Sawant from Santa Cruz, Mumbai, and she cracked MS Law CT examination with the score kitna hai? 128 out of 150. Rank is nothing but 45 is the rank, all India rank. So first of all, Gayatri, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so how's the feeling after hitting 128 or result देखा 128 आ गया मेरा.
Actually, I won't lie. It's more of relief than happiness because I feel like I was also preparing for CLAT. So CLAT mein my rank was like theek thak. So
Mhm.
because I had worked so hard, it was almost like I knew it should be somewhere there. And so when I saw it, I was like, "Hush, all this worked out well."
Worked
Yeah.
out, JLC मिल
हाँ,
गया.
yes.
Okay. So, first of all, those who don't know, Gayatri started her preparation from 2019. 2 years की
Yeah.
preparation है पूरी.
Yes.
ठीक है. So 2019 she joined us for the Dadar branch
Hmm.
and क्लासरूम हुआ. उसके बाद 2020 में लॉकडाउन हो गया एंड ऑल. उसके
Yeah.
बाद टेस्ट सीरीज एंड ऑल शी जॉइंड अस फॉर एंड वो कंप्लीट किया एंड ऑल एंड फाइनली 2021 में एग्जाम किया.
Hmm.
एग्जाम हो गया और शी क्रैक सीटी with the score
Yeah.
of 128. This is the journey. मतलब 2 साल प्रॉपर प्रिपेयर किया है बिकॉज बहुत क्लियर था कि लॉ डोमेन में लॉ फील्ड में ही जाना है और बहुत
Hmm.
क्लियर था कि एमएससीटी क्रैक करना है. और कौन से एग्जाम्स कुछ लिखे थे और भी एग्जाम्स एज यू मेंशन क्लैट वाज देयर.
हाँ, क्लैट एंड एलेट लिखा था.
हम्म.
एलेट एक्चुअली सर मैं ऐसे कह सकती हूँ कि एलेट का जो पैटर्न था ना, आई यूज टू ऑलवेज डू बेटर इन दैट एंड क्लैट का पैटर्न चेंज दिस ईयर. सो
हम्म.
आई समवेयर न्यू दैट दैट इज द पैटर्न दैट्स वर्किंग फॉर मी, लाइक द लॉजिकल एंड shorter, more tricky questions. That was the pattern that.
हम्म.
So ये तीन एग्जाम्स.
ओके ओके. सो अभी सब सॉर्टेड है. सीटी क्रैक है. वी आर गोइंग फॉर जीएलसी.
हाँ.
एवरीथिंग इज सॉर्टेड नाउ.
हाँ.
ओके. सो गायत्री, टेल मी अबाउट योर एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड. जितने बच्चे लोग ये पॉडकास्ट देख रहे हैं अपकमिंग
हाँ.
एस्पिरेंट, दे शुड नो कि बैकग्राउंड क्या था और हाउ व्हाई यू हैव चोजन योर career into law.
Okay. So starting with my background, so I was in Lilavati by Poddar School, which is again in Santa Cruz, Mumbai. So वहाँ पे from nursery right till 10th standard. Then I joined Ruia College. I took up humanities because I knew that I do not want to do anything in like engineering or medical. तो वो तो मेरा पक्का था. So that is why I took up arts and Ruia College, which is again in Dadar East. So that's how the maneuver connection. And other than that, why law? For that, I would like to answer that in 9th and 10th, actually, I was very good in history and civics. तो हिस्ट्री एंड सिविक्स में मेरे को मतलब पूरे जो बैच था उसमें एक बार मतलब हाईएस्ट आए. तो तभी वी हैड दिस चैप्टर कॉल्ड सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड
Mm-hmm.
इट हैपेंड टू बी द चैप्टर दैट आई लाइक. That was it. That's where the story ends. I liked history. After 10th, I wasn't like I knew I have to do something attached to humanities, but I wasn't sure it's law. And so I liked the whole Supreme Court thing that happened in 9th. फिर 10th के बाद I took up arts and all my friends, you know that thing happens where all your friends start deciding कि मैं जेई दे रहा हूँ, मैं नीट दे रही हूँ,
मैं
and
मेडिकल में जाऊंगा.
हाँ मैं ये करूंगी मैं वो करूंगा.
हम्म.
So that's where you also feel कि हाँ भाई मतलब even I need to decide. It's
हम्म.
time. So in 11th standard, when I realized that a lot of my peers are like deciding, I thought that I should also take a call. That's when I visited Vancouver. And fun fact, I was actually I came in with the idea that I will join for BBA. Well, I was almost gonna pay the fees for BBA, but then Prachi ma'am, she was explaining the whole pattern to me, and she kept repeating how maths is very important for IPM. And that's when I realized that that's not actually something I should go for because clearly I'm not that great at maths. So Tabhi, I also saw the booklet for law and I just told her to give it to me and I'll come back to her the next day. And within one day, I knew that I like history, I like civics. So law will work out better. So that's how law. And once I started it, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Great. Great. So 2 year of journey towards the
Hmm.
law entrance preparation. If you want to explain it, so how it was.
I will say it was very long and arduous. I won't sugarcoat it. I mean, if someone is like, you need to be very dedicated and you need to be sure that this is what you want to do, because there are going to be days where you will question yourself, especially jab mocks may you kind of mess up. There are days when things don't go out your way, so you should be like sure about it. That's one thing. Second, I would say that because it's 2 years, one advantage is that you get to always improve. You have a lot of time, so बहुत time होता है कि you'll never feel like I'm running short on time, which is something which happens. I've seen with like 1 year people, that by the time they realize how they should attempt their mock, it's almost like the exam is there. That won't happen with 2 years, but yes, overall it's very long, tiring, but it's fruitful if you do it well.
Have you ever felt demotivated during your preparation?
I would say not during my preparation, but after the CLAT results.
Okay.
Because मुझे लग रहा था कि I prepared very well and I actually did, but I think I was very scared. Like I made CLAT my everything, something like that. Plus the pattern was different, not the one I'm good at. So when my CLAT result came out, for like 2-3 weeks, I used to always text my friends and be like, I don't think I'm meant to do this and all of that. But eventually I figured out that it's nothing like that. And failures come your way. So that one time, I think CLAT was the demotivated part.
Okay. Okay. So if I talk about all the sections, how you prepare all the section: logic, maths, English, GK, and legal, starting with English and followed by other section.
For English, I was actually following more of like the CLAT pattern. So according to that, I was doing more of the whole paragraph reading and all of that. But once my CLAT result came out and I knew that CET is my only option and the
available.
only thing that will help me out now, tabhi I used to do rigorous vocab. Like Maneuver ke book mein jo hai, and otherwise also you get books. So rigorous vocabulary, I think, helps you. That, and then obviously the other exercises you should do. But I would suggest that pay special attention to vocabulary. If you are done with that, you'll feel confident. So that's
Right.
for
In
English.
addition to that, you prepared already for the CLAT, so RC was like not a big trouble, right?
No, for CET it was easy.
Reading comprehension, testing.
Grammar and vocab.
And what about the logic?
Logic I like. So logic mein it was, I had a friend, she was preparing for IPM and we are like very close friends. So every day we used to sit and just randomly, once I knew the basics, we used to just solve logic ke alag concepts ke questions. And for me, logic was not that much of a deal. I used to make sure that I still know it, like I'm practicing it. So that's it for logic.
Okay. And GK and current affairs?
GK, again, because of the whole CLAT thing, I was reading the Hindu. I had also attended our lectures back when it was offline. So both of these things, but I think one thing that really helped me in CET was that 2,500 or 3,000 questions का booklet जो Maneuver देता है. बहुत सारे questions होते हैं. मैंने वो पूरे कर लिए थे. जितना था मैंने सारा GK कर लिया था.
2 बार किया था कि 3 बार किया था?
नहीं, एक बार अच्छे से, दूसरी बार गाड़ी में जाते वक्त. एंड आई रिमेम्बर दैट यू यूज्ड टू गो टू द सेंटर एंड अटेम्प्ट. तो कुछ 3 years के भी रिपीट हुए थे. सो दैट आल्सो हेल्प मी बिकॉज आई वॉच द वीडियो, तो मेरे को पता था.
Great. Second last, maths.
Maths I don't like, but preparation, frankly speaking, I think maths was the one section जहाँ पे I knew that even if I do like बहुत ज़्यादा, the results won't be that great. I knew it from my mocks and everything. So I did do the basic like average, profit and loss, but I always focused more on the other 4. I know people recommend that you focus on your weak section, but I recommend that if you know that your weak section is not going to give you marks, then जो अच्छे है उसे बहुत अच्छा कर. Like it should not go wrong. So
yes, at the same time, the area which are weak in उसको थोड़ा करके ले लो. Exam में time मिलेगा तो definitely we can deal with the question. And lastly, legal aptitude.
Legal aptitude, again, I was sorted with that. With the lectures, I knew the concept. And CET, because the questions are a lot smaller than CLAT, I felt like it was a cakewalk. It was easy.
Cakewalk.
Easy laga.
Okay,
So,
okay, fine. When you appeared for the actual exam, and if you
hmm,
compare with the maneuver mock test, what
hmm.
differences you have seen?
That number one would be कि maneuver mock is just a little bit more difficult, so that if you see your marks, you don't feel like अब तो हवे में अब तो आ ही जाएगा. You don't feel like that. You feel
Mhm.
like और करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा. So that is one thing. Second would be that during maneuver mocks, I took the whole time to finish the paper. So that was one thing. But in the real paper, I finished 40 minutes early. तो मैं
Okay,
40
40
मिनट
minutes पहले पेपर खत्म हो गया.
हाँ, तो मैं
Wow.
बस वापस देख रही थी 40 मिनट एंड के.
मतलब आधे घंटे की नींद ले सकते थे.
हाँ, ले तो सब बट ली नहीं, चेक कर रही थी. So that
Okay, okay. So what was your highest score in the maneuver mock test?
I started with an 83. Like my first mock was an 83.
Okay.
And then my last mock, which I gave a day before the exam, it was 112. And तब मैंने सोचा बस अब ठीक है, अब
अब
कल ऐसे ही जाएंगे. हाँ,
112 और फाइनली एग्जाम में 128 आया है,
correct.
which means क्या हो गया ये 16 marks extra in
Hmm.
the actual exam.
Hmm.
5 to 10 marks.
The GK in the mock, sir, is a bit more difficult than the paper.
So थोड़ा सा उसके वजह से.
हाँ, yes.
Great, great. Okay, last question. If you want to give tips to upcoming year aspirant, तो उनको क्या क्या tips देना चाहोगे? Like कि 2 साल पहले से preparation चालू करो, strong area पे काम करो. So likewise, क्या tips session you want to give them?
I think two things I would like to tell anyone who is going in this whole entrance exam thing. One is that work hard, but more importantly, don't lose faith. Like if you've worked hard, then believe in your hard work. Like that is very important. So that is one thing. And second being, don't take too much stress. I mean, I used to do that. So I think don't take, yes, stress is good, but I have seen people, actually even myself, I used to like study a lot, but sometimes you should also do the things that make you happy. So कभी कभी walks पे जाओ, कभी कभी parties attend करो. So do everything in balance and don't stress, and जो hard work करोगे तो उस पे faith रखो कि it will all turn out good.
That's it. So basically चिल, एकदम चिल होके प्रिपेयर करना है, कोई टेंशन होके प्रेशर लेके प्रिपेयर नहीं करना है. अदरवाइज इट इज एंट्रेंस, प्रेशर लोगे तो फिर सही क्वेश्चन भी रॉन्ग करके आओगे.
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली क्लैट में वही हुआ. लाइक आई न्यू द आंसर्स बट आई गॉट लाइक सो आई स्ट्रेस्ड आउट सो मच दैट इन द एक्चुअल पेपर आई डिडंट परफॉर्म वेल. सीईटी के टाइम में बहुत, लाइक माय पेरेंट्स टोल्ड मी, डोंट थिंक दैट इट्स द एंड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, just go and give your best, and that formula worked out. So don't stress. That's important.
So say thanks to your parents also to motivate you.
Yes.
Okay, so how was your parents feeling after getting 128? Okay, so
they were very happy.
अच्छा,
हाँ,
बहुत खुश.
Yes.
क्लैट के रिजल्ट के बाद जो डिमोटिवेशन था वो सीटी के बाद थोड़ा सा
बेटर लगा. हाँ,
चलो कहीं तो हो गया.
Yes.
Great. So anything else you want to add?
No, I think that's pretty much it.
Pretty much. Yeah. Okay, done. All right, guys. So this is what complete podcast which we have done with the Gayatri, and there are many podcasts keep on coming up. So be connected with the channel, and yeah, keep watching all the podcasts. Lots of things you can learn from all these podcasts, and the same thing you can implement in your preparation. So stay tuned, and thank you, Gayatri, coming and sharing your experience with regard to the law entrance preparation. All the very best for your career. Yeah. And once again, congratulations.
Thank you so much.